Here, Microsoft did a very good thing to create a specific command only for the Windows Defender. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Techno Network. So here today we are going to create a one-liner script to get the details of the antivirus which is installed on our machine. So there are two things. One is Windows Defender. Second thing, any third-party antivirus. So first we will check about the Windows Defender. Here Microsoft did a very good thing to create a specific command only for the Windows Defender, and that is get mp computer status. This command is only for the Windows Defender. If you need any details about the Windows Defender antivirus, you just go ahead and run this command get mp computer status. When you run it, it will give you the complete details which is about Windows Defender. There you can see there are AM product version, AM running mode, and there are other details as well, computer ID, computer state. Everything else you can get over here related with the Windows Defender. Now there is a, if you do not require all these details and if you require a single thing from this outcome, then you have just to put this into a bracket, put a dot at the end, and type the details which you require. For if I see in the result it is AM running mode. Okay, so I'll just select the AM running mode over here, and then when I run this command, it will give me only one, if that computer state is running or not running. Okay, so this command you can use to get the details about only for the Windows Defender antivirus. Now what happens, Windows Defender comes by default with the Windows machine, okay, and sometimes we do not use that, we install any third-party antivirus, which is in my case, which I'm going to create a script, one-liner script, and will show you. So to get the details of any another antivirus, any third-party antivirus, we have to use Get-CimInstance. Okay, what it does, it gets the data from the CIM database. Okay, now to get the details of antivirus, we have to put one namespace over here. Namespace means a folder which contains a particular data. Okay, in our case, we need the antivirus details, so there is a namespace which is created. I believe it is root security center 2, right? So this is the namespace, this is a folder where the CIM instance will look for the data. Now in this folder there are class which is created for particularly different things which we require. Here we need the antivirus details, so I'll just simply type antivirus product. Okay, so this is a one-liner command to get the details of the antivirus which is installed on our machine. I have selected this command and I'm going to run it. I ran this command, as you can see, and I see there are two antivirus that is showing me. One is Windows Defender and one is the McAfee. Windows Defender comes by default with the Windows, and the third-party McAfee which I installed on my machine. Alright, so that's how you can get the details of the antivirus. If it is Windows Defender, always use get mp computer status. If it is different from the Windows Defender, if it is the third-party antivirus, then always use Get-CimInstance and put the namespace root security center 2. There are different namespaces for different information which you need. If you do not give the namespace parameter over here, then by default Get-CimInstance will take another namespace which is root CIM version 2. Yeah, right. So if you do not give any namespace, so by default CimInstance will look into this folder. All right, and if you need something specific, then there you have to give the namespace. Just like in our case, we need the antivirus details, so we have to log into the security center 2. This is the one-liner command which you can use in your task to get the antivirus details, and you can use in any script which you are creating related with the antivirus. I hope you have learned something about this video. Please do comment down if any question arises in your mind. Thank you.